Achieving the translucent suture slice requires a mandolin set to exactly 0.5 millimeters. The persimmon must be at peak ripeness to ensure the flesh bends without breaking. We introduce the suture by creating a micro-incision and infusing it with a warm honey reduction. Notice the sonic texture as the blade glides through the fruit and the soft stick of the glaze. The visual goal is absolute transparency, where the marble beneath is visible through the orange membrane. This technique transforms a simple orchard fruit into a geometric sculpture of light and sugar. Each slice is a study in tension and fragility.